a little bit of a dilemma, and I have a question. So I was just at the gas station, and I seen this bird, and it was kind of like laying face down. I hate to say it, face down with its butt up in the air. So I thought it was dead, you know. So I was like, well, the type of person I am, I didn't want to leave it there. So I got a plastic bag or whatever, and I picked it up. And as soon as I picked it up, it opened its eyes. It didn't flip out, you know, or anything. It didn't flip out, started going crazy. So I'm guessing that one of the wings are broken, or something wrong, like with the back flap. Like it looks like it's crooked. It looks like it's crooked. I haven't touched it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is not happening. Holy fucking shit! Why does this happen to me? I'm trying to be a good person. Oh my god. 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 Alright, so apparently he just fucking hitched a ride, and there's nothing wrong with the damn bird. Y'all, I hate my life. Why is this happening to me? And it just shit in my car. Okay, I'm gonna get out. Oh my gosh!